Know something about adverbs. We are going to do the topic adverbs today. An adverb is a word that tells something more about a verb. So, children, as the name is telling you that something is added to the verb, then it becomes adverb. So, the words which tell you more about the verbs are called adverbs. Okay. An adverb tells how, where, or when an action happens. So the verbs means the action words. Okay. Adverbs tell us how, where, and when the action happens. Sometimes we add ly to an adjective to get an adverb. So sometimes we add ly to an adjective and then we get an adverb. So children, in class 2, we are just going to learn about the ly words. Let us see some examples like neat plus ly becomes neatly. So ly is added to a adjective, okay, and it has become neatly. Lazy plus ly, lazily. Kind plus ly, kindly, to do something with kindness. Week plus ly, weekly, it means once a week. For example, we have a skating class weekly. It means we have a skating class once a week. Now, look at this sentence, I ate my dinner quickly. So here, quickly describes what? Eating. Quickly is describing the word eating, the action word. So, how did you eat? Quickly. So, with the word quickly, you come to know that how did you eat? Quickly. In which manner you eat? Quickly. One more example. My father came home early. So, how your father came home? When your father came home? Early. So, here the action word is come, came. So, how it is being done? The adverb is describing that. So, the adverb here is early. My father came home early. Now, children, ly we have to add, that is clear to you, to make adverbs, but some rules are there to be followed to make the adverbs, to add ly. Ly we will add, but we will follow some rules. Like first one is, basically most of the words they just add ly and become an adverb, like soft, softly. In some cases, when the word is ending with y, then we will drop the y and then we will put I instead of y and then we will add ly. So, dropping the y and putting I is the rule for the words which end with y. If the base word ends with le, the last words are le, then e will not be written. Then straight away you will put y. So, it will become ly automatically. Like gentle, gently. Here the word is ending with le. So, we will remove e and it will become gently by putting a y. If the words are ending in IC, then you will put ly. Then you will put ALLY. And if the words end with L, the last word is L itself, then you will put one more ly and it will become double ly. Like careful, carefully. Okay? So, when the words are ending with L, you will put one more ly and it will become double ly. Okay, so this you have to keep in mind, where these rules you have to follow and check whenever you add ly to the words.